Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Now if you're new to this channel and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Samudrika. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haul videos, and I do vlogging sometimes and not always. So yeah, I'm really excited for this video because this video is proper on Durga Puja makeup looks. Like you guys have been requesting me since long, and I also had this in my mind that I had to do this. Like this is my first Durga Puja makeup tutorial. Like it's been not even a year since I have opened my channel. So yeah, you must be wondering that why am I wearing a top here, because it should be an ethnic look. So basically I thought I'll make two videos, one wearing in western wear and one in Indian wear. So dressing actually doesn't matter because I won't be doing too heavy looks. I will be with this top and with this look I'll do a nude makeup, like a nude glam sort of a makeup, not proper nude, so that you can use this with some other outfits as well. Now as you can see, I'm wearing an olive top. I won't be using any olive shadow on my eyes because we are not going for any wedding, so it's not necessary that if you're wearing a certain color you need to match that with your eyeshadow. Okay, it's not at all necessary, but make your look a bit glam so you look hatke and glamorous. So yeah, that's it. And I haven't started the intro wearing makeup. I'm just barefaced, and आज ये voice over में होगा. I'll just do my makeup and then I'll add the voice later on. And yeah, you can also use this makeup with ethnic wear, with salwar kameez, with sari. You just can create your own look. I'm just giving you an idea. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video.
I have already prepped my skin, so do not skip skincare, guys. It is very important. Moving on, I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer. I'm trying to hide my dark spots and my dark circles and blending it thoroughly, and also trying to build the concealer on my upper eyelid just to create a base for that eyeshadow. Now, in case if you do not have the Huda Beauty concealer, you can try for other concealer as well. The Maybelline Age Rewind is very good. Just look at the difference this concealer has made. Now doing the same with the other eye as well and building it on my upper eyelid. Now once it is done, I'm moving on to foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation after a long time. I love this foundation. It gives you a matte finish. It is super light and good coverage, guys. So the reason why I'm using a light foundation is because I don't want my skin to look very heavy, and Huda Beauty concealer is quite heavy, and I used it on my cheeks as well. Now just see how beautifully this foundation blends, and it will only blend nicely if you do your skincare well. Now moving on, I am baking with the help of the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. The coat should be thick around your mouth, under your eyes, and then you can just dust it off like all over your face. And then I'm doing my brows with the help of the Nika eyebrow pencil in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. All the links will be down below, and I did my eyebrows off camera. Now moving on, just look at the difference. Brows changes the entire look. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette. The shade will be mentioned down below, and from that I'm using the lightest peach shade on my eyelid, like all over my eyelid. I'm just blending it just to create a base, not any particular area, guys, just all over the eye. Next up, I'm using the two darkest shades, which are the brown shades, and applying it on the outer corner of my eye in a rough V shape. You don't need to be very precise about the shade, the shape. You just do it very roughly and then just keep on blending. Blending is the game, guy. And then just remove any harsh edges with the help of the previous peach shade. So you can keep this eye look till here also, but then if you want a more glamorous look, you can go on with some shimmery shades. There are a lot of shimmery shades in this palette. I went with one. Like you can use any shimmer shade just to give a pop of that glitter, no, shimmer, just to make it look more gorgeous. Now for eyelashes, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on one side. It gives such a lovely finish, guys. And then I'm showing you one dupe for this. It is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It looks the same, it does the same work, guys. You will just see how beautifully it makes my lashes look so longer. Just look, both are same, only there is a difference in price. So I'll be mentioning down below the link, go check it out. I'm using it on my lower eyelashes as well. You can skip it if you want to, but I like it that way. Now dusting off the loose powder which I kept for baking, and just see, it looks so smooth and there are no harsh lines, so it will prevent your base from getting cakey as you're gonna sweat a lot. I won't be doing any cream contour because just making the base very light. I'm using a bronzer from Wet n Wild and trying to give my face a sculpted shape. And as the look is nude, so that's why I won't be using any blush. The contour is enough. So once I'm done doing the nose contour, I'm using the compact or the loose powder brush to just dust off any excess contour. Now for highlighter, I'm using a highlighter from MAC Cosmetic. I love this shade. It is so beautiful. It gives you, you know, such a beautiful golden look. Now a dupe of this is the Maybelline strobe highlighter. I don't remember the exact name. I'll mention the link down below. So it is the dupe of the MAC one. If you don't have the MAC one, you can try the Maybelline one. Now moving on to lashes, I did one off camera and I tried to do one on camera this time. It is a big task, guys. Just look how beautiful lashes makes you look. Eyes are looking so beautiful. Now I am just lining my lower eyelid with a nice golden shade. You can skip it if you want to. Now moving on to lips, I'm using the Nika lipstone liner just to line my lips. And then moving on with the lip shade, I'm using the Maybelline matte ink, and it is their new shade. They have launched 4 new shades. I'll mention the shade down below. I love the shade. It is not too light, not too dark. This is the final look, guys. I am absolutely in love with the way it turned out to be. Just look. The look is nude, yet it is looking so glamorous. The base is looking so nice. And one thing, guys, don't make this mistake. I also used to make it, that is using a lot of foundation. Don't do it.
So guys, this is the final look. As you can see that it is a nude look, yet it is so glamorous. Like, look at my eyes. I actually like eye portion changes the entire look, to be very honest. I did nothing with my hair. I'm wearing a normal, you know, top. So just look at the eyes. It's very minimal, very normal, like nude, but yet it's looking so glamorous. So that is what I meant. Even if you are wearing a top like this, you can just go a little bit, you know, subtle with your lashes and apply liner like a wing liner, and then use very subtle lashes. And you can even skip lashes. I most of the time skip lashes, but in case if you're wearing something very, you know, tarakta bharakta, even if not tarakta bharakta, like a very nude shade, light color but ethnic, you can go with the dramatic lashes. And even if not dramatic lashes, then normal subtle lashes. But then you can, as I mentioned, you can skip the shimmer part and make it total nude. And if you want it to be like more glamorous, as it is puja, so you can use shimmer, not glitters. Please don't use glitters. Don't make it look very chunky, because it's like Durga Puja celebration, and this time it's COVID. So it's not gonna be the same. We will be wearing masks, and everything will be there, so your eyes would be popping out, right? So if your eyes are the main center of attraction, then make it look really nice, elongated and glamorous. Don't make it look like too, you know, overcrowded with like glitters, a shadow, eyelash, eyeliner. If you are using thick eyelashes, then skip the liner. If you're not using thick eyelashes or not even using eyelashes, then go with the liner, like a thick liner. That would be the best. Now by wearing mask, I don't mean that you won't be opening up your mask, because you will be eating, so that time you will be definitely opening your mask. So for that, the sweat would be like more than usual, as a mask, because of the mask we tend to sweat more. So the baking needs to be very proper. That's why you need to use a loose powder instead of a compact. So the loose powder should be used for a longer period of time. Like usually I do the baking for like 60 seconds. So this time, as you have seen, I have kept it for a longer period of time, and the finish, just look at the finish. There are no lines. I have hollowness under my eyes, you guys know that, like a little amount of it, but that is like totally gone. It feels like it's a flat surface right over here. These are few tricks which you should apply while doing your makeup this puja. And yeah, everyone won't be wearing ethnic. Few of the people will be wearing western, right? Like in Shoshti, there are 4 days like Shoshti, Shoptami, Ashtami, Navami. So this look is for basically Shoshti and Shoptami. So you can, like, you know, use your own creativity. Even if you're not using this brown shades, you can use pink shades, like few common shades like pink, orange, nude, brown. These are few shades which goes with all colors, like, right? And I won't suggest you to do a very dark smoky eye any day, because this time it's very different. And if you want to do a smoky eye, go for a smudged liner thing, which I think I will also be applying this time. थोड़ा सा आप ब्राउन शैडो करके उसमें स्मज लाइनर कर दो, बस दैट्स इट एंड यू आर डन. सो या, दैट इज इट अबाउट दिस वीडियो एंड दिस लुक. आई होप you guys liked it. I did not style my hair at all, like it's not at all required this time, guys. Just do a little amount of makeup, make yourself look presentable. That is all you gotta do. And yeah, wait for my next video, because in my next video I'll be showing you an ethnic look, and again the ethnic look won't be that heavy, but it would look like you have done a lot, but actually you didn't do so much. So wait for that video. I'll be posting that in a week time, or maybe even less than that. So that's it about this video. If you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And जो भी मैंने आज यूज किया है सबके सब लिंक नीचे दिया हुआ है. Go get it, because festival season is like already here, and Nykaa has some amazing sales going on, but it's not like a proper sale ki itne तारीख से इतने तारीख तक चल रहा है. So keep an eye, because every now and then they have sales going on every brand. So yeah, that's it. Bye.